We have been talking about other departments in our college, but before we dive into our innovative artificial intelligence and machine learning department, let's introduce ourselves.
Yes, sure. I am Jiva, an engineering student from Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Department at Vemana Institute of Technology. I'm always curious about how technology and artificial intelligence is transforming the world.
And I'm Jian. I'm pursuing engineering in the same department. I'm really into building smart solutions and learning how machines can think and behave like us.
Hey Jia, have you ever thought about shaping future with artificial intelligence?
Absolutely, especially after seeing what the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning is doing here. They're dealing in everything from deep learning to data science, robotics, and natural language processing.
I know, right? Their curriculum is somewhat different, and it's just not theory. They have just bridged the gap between academia and industry.
And the projects the students work on, they are not just science fair stuff. They are making robots that can navigate into complex environments and critical systems that can literally save lives.
That's what excites me the most, and they are so much into creativity and innovation.
Plus, the department just doesn't teach, they train. You remember the workshop on secure coding, cloud computing, and ethical hacking? All hands-on real-world training.
And you know about the internships, students directly dive into robotics, generative AI, machine learning, and many other data visualization tools using Tableau and Power BI.
Speaking of the careers, many students are getting placed with a starting package of 7 LPA. Top companies such as Korean and Portland IT Solutions are hiring them straight out of our college.
There's nothing surprising as such. With the kind of expertise they develop in AI and software development, they're ready to get into any industries.
I came across a quote from our department. The future belongs to those who harness the power of AI, where innovation meets creativity and competition knows no limits.
Same here. I believe it's time for us to bring ideas into our lives and start shaping our future with the help of artificial intelligence.
Code it, train it, and make it smart. At Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning Department
At
Vemana Institute of Technology.